Okay, so the beauty of the CARLUEX Pro Plus is it essentially converts your car's multimedia system into a tablet or an iPad. So we're going to show you how you download apps so we can use it just as you would a tablet. So we're going to go with option 1. You can use the Play Store on the CARLUEX Pro Plus's home screen. And here you can see we're already logged in to our personal login. If you don't have one, you can go on Google and create a login so you can log in and use the App Store. Here we go, we're going to download an app for you so you can see the functionality. So here's Amazon Prime, we're going to install there. Shouldn't take too long there. So it's downloading pretty fast. So once it's downloaded, it's going to install onto the CARLUEX Pro Plus's system. Almost done. There we go, now it's just installing. Okay, and now we're good to go. So you can open up the app and use it the same as what you would a tablet. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna go with option 2. Option 2 is you can use a micro SD memory card. So here we have one here. Gonna connect it just the same as you did the SIM card, facing up. Be careful there. Click in. Okay, now from here we're going to go to Files. We're going to go down to SD card. Click there. Slide down, and here we have some pre-downloaded applications we've downloaded from the computer. Here is TikTok, for example, and we can install TikTok onto the CARLUEX Pro Plus here. So click continue and install. Shouldn't take a moment. And once it's downloaded, you'll be able to use TikTok the same as what you would your tablet. You're gonna have to be patient. There we go, and app's installed, and we can open it. There we go, good to go.